Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 13, the rule of thirds. Now, I know when we talk about rules, people don't want to be told what to do. They prefer to do their own thing, but the rule of thirds is to your benefit by including them in your photography. Where do we start with the rule of thirds? Well, maybe you've seen this. Your iPhone has this capability. As a matter of fact, I have a set of grids on my camera right now, my screen. They look kind of like this. If you notice that it looks like 9 squares, or just kind of like a big Zoom meeting, a small Zoom meeting actually. And there in there, you have 9 little boxes, but you also have 4 intersections. And those intersections are what will guide you in the rule of thirds. Suppose you have something that you're wanting to feature, a person possibly. Well, instead of just putting them right in the middle, that's kind of, a little bit boring. You want to pull them over, possibly, or even down lower, so that you not only see them, but you get to see the negative space, you might call it. I'm not exactly in the intersection of those two, but my eye would be in the right here. So here again, you get to see my face, privilege you, and you see in my shirt, so you kind of see what I look like. Doing it this way, you get to see what's going on in the background. So the point of having the rule of thirds is not that it's a law that you have to do it every single time. There are certain cases where you would not necessarily want to follow the rule of thirds, and that very well could have been in our previous challenge on symmetry. So check that out up here about that challenge if you want to be involved with the symmetry challenge. But the point of the rule of thirds is to guide you into producing better photos. And what is one way you can improve your photos? Carrying your camera with you every day. Have it with you all the time, and then you'll have the ability to take all those shots that you say, oh, I wish I had my camera. So challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.